Hello everybody and welcome back to Lemon8. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and quickest way that you can actually fix Lemon8 app not working. So if you're currently having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before and this is how I fixed it myself. Firstly, I closed my Lemon8 app and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. And in here, what I did, I scrolled down and then I clicked where it says general, as you can see. So I clicked on general, then I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage in here. And now what we were going to do, we need to unfortunately wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load in here. And when it's done, then what we're going to do, we're going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner, as you can see, but it needs to first basically be lighting in blue before we can actually click on it. So we need to actually wait for all the apps here to be done, as you can see, and now it's done. Now click on the search symbol in the top right corner, search Lemon8 and click on the app, and then you're going to click on upload app in here, and once again click on upload app. Just wait a couple of seconds for this one to completely load and then click on the blue button here again. So basically just wait for this one right here to completely load, then go back into your Lemon8 app and hopefully now it's fixed for you as well.